Hi everyone, myself Bhagyashree and today I'm going to cover the LLD. I can say in the system design we have a high level and low level system design. So I will start from the low level design because it is foundation or I can say basic in when anyone is trying to design a system. So we have to know this basic concept to reach the final stage to create any cases or create any app, for the example Instagram, Twitter, Netflix, YouTube, like that. So how we are creating a function, what is the basic requirement, what is the fundamental for that. So I'm just going to discover here and hope you also got the some idea. And if you have anything question, any issue or any problem related to any problem, any points or anything, you just comment it here and I will try to solve as soon as possible from my side. So let's start with that. So it is for the LLD class 1, and first I will give the introduction about this. So in the introduction I can say what is the first of all we have to know what is the low level design. So low level design is refer the process of converting high level design specification into detail and implementation instruction for the software development. It is a phase in the software development life cycle that come after high level design and before the actual coding. So low level design provide a more detailed view of the system architecture, breaking down the server system into smaller modular component. I can say it is a useful for the both one if you are preparing for the product base or if you are preparing for the service based company, because this concept and this coding architecture I can say you use every time. If you are a fresher, if you are experienced, you get the like more idea or more benefit from this concept. I can say you can use it at daily to daily in your programming, apply in the real time, I can say. So importance of the low level design, what I can say, because it covers the many benefits. I can say first of all, like we have a importance of the low level design. What I can say, it is useful for the efficient problem solving. I can say low level design is a crucial for solving complex problems efficiently, and it involves the breaking down the system into smaller manageable component, making it easier to understand and work with. I can say if I have to design this user login pages. So what is the page containing input? What is the functionality if we click on the submit button or if we click on the login button? So behind that, which function I have to be created, what is the parameter I am passing, what is the reusability components or any dynamic things we can cover. So all the stuff, all the creativity, all the logic implementation, I can say you can get from this concept, or you can get from this low level design. Second, we have a system understanding. Studying low-level design help developer understand and interact of the system. I can say it provide insight into how different components interact and collaborate, achieve the system objective. Because any system, any software, it is not becoming from the single component. If you are working on the some website, you have a login page, register page. It is like two page or two component, I can say. Both will be communicate. How we can link? If you are already a register user, you have to be login. If you are a login and you don't have account, sometime some new users coming, then you have a same time register link also. So how you are connecting these two one? So both I can see they are connected to each other. So because of this we are getting the system understanding, how are they connecting, how they are communicating, how they are I can say achieving a system objective. Next we have a scalability, and scalability means if you have a number of users which is certain time is increasing randomly, so how you can scale. So this type of also problem, like in the sometime if you can say we have a some offer and some of the website, they have a randomly increased user, and sometime if it is a normal day it will be having a normal users, I can say. So for that we have to maintain the scalability. So how we can achieve, we with the help of this thing, we have to be know like what I do for the scalability of the system or of this app. So well-designed low-level structure enables system to scale effectively, and it allows for the addition of the new feature or component without compromising the overall system stability and performance. Next we have a maintainability. Right now I can say you can, like, everybody can code. It's not very tough, but the things is coming under the maintenance, because it will be very costly, or it will be like more manageable. We have to be manage our system code, because some junior or some senior mid-level engineer is coming and they are writing the code, but we have a different hands, so sometimes it will be get the sometime untidy, or I can say dirty hand on the some coding part. So we have to be maintained. Junior is writing some other syntax or some other way to writing this code. Senior have some other. So we have to be in the long way I can say maintainable. How it will be maintained if sometime you are working, you're not there. It not comes the issue if you are not there. So management, I can say maintainability is a major cost. When we are coming to the low level design, you can see like most of the service based companies, they are hiring people for the, like, I can say 4 year experience, 5 year experience person. They are hired as a support system, I can say, maintaining that old uh, application or software for the supporting type, I can say. They have to be well versed. They have to be know which is the problem part, which is the like good part, which we have to be touched for the I can say changing purpose, I can say. So system often needed updates, enhancement, or bug fixes. A good low level design ensure that the modification can be made with the minimal impact on the rest of the system, and making it easier to maintain and evolve over time. Next, we have a collaboration. So it's like team-based development. A clear low-level design serves as a common ground for the collaboration, and team member can understand and work on a different part of the system, simultaneously promoting the efficiency and parallel development. So it is very difficult if you are a single person to working on any application, uh, any software, anything is built up right now, I can say, because of the team. Someone is working on the backend, someone is working on the UI, someone is working on the database part, someone is working on the testing. So it is a like team which we are using for creating the application.